In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Gumroad webhook in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. A webhook allows Gumroad to automatically send data and notifications to your application whenever certain events happen, such as purchases, refunds, or subscriptions. This is useful for automations and integrations with external services. Now, if you want to create a Gumroad webhook, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings from the dashboard. After that, open the advanced section inside the settings page. Then, scroll down until you find the applications and ping settings area. Now, create a new application by filling in the required information such as the application name, icon, and redirect URL. After that, click on Create Application. Once the application is created, click on Generate Access Token to create your API key. This access token will allow your webhook or external application to communicate with your Gumroad account. Then, locate the ping or webhook endpoint section. After that, enter the URL endpoint where you want Gumroad to send webhook notifications. Make sure your webhook URL is configured correctly and accessible publicly because Gumroad needs to deliver event data to that endpoint successfully. Then, save the webhook settings and test the connection if needed. Usually, webhook setup issues happen because of incorrect endpoint URLs, invalid API keys, or server configuration problems, so carefully review your webhook settings before testing. That's it. By creating an application and configuring the webhook endpoint properly, you can create a Gumroad webhook and automate events from your Gumroad account successfully.